Hi Matthew, as I promised, here's your free custom video around how you can increase your online presence and also attract more customers. So I know you don't have a website at the moment, so what I thought I'd do is I'd take a look at what your competition is doing and maybe you can do something similar to attract those customers. So looking at painting contractors in Cape Town, this is one of your big competitors that shows up on Google. And if you look at their website, some nice pictures, and the first thing I want to cover is around website content, right? So they have probably less than 400 words on their homepage, but Google recommends that you have between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content on your homepage. And this will allow them to easily extract the necessary keywords from your website so they can actually get it into their rankings. So the more content that you have, the easier you make it for Google to rank. So as you can see, your competition has quite a low number of content, so easily beatable if you set up your website correctly. The next thing I want to take a look at is the Google search results. So when I put in painting contractors in Cape Town, the first couple of results coming up is your Google ads. Now this is where people actually pay to get their results up here. So every time you click on this link, they are paying a portion to Google for every click, in essence, a certain dollar amount. So it's very nice and very quick to get customers onto your website, but it is costly over a long period of time. The second part I want to cover is the Google Map listing, and this is a very good spot to be in these top 3 positions, because almost 40% of people actually click on these links, so a lot of traffic coming to your website. So 40% of people that search this will actually click on one of these links. And you can easily see the contact number, also the websites are very easy to get in touch with you. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, you have to increase your number of citations. Now, all that a citation is a combination of your company name, your physical address, and your contact details like your website and your phone number. The more directories like Yellow Pages and Gumtree and other things that you can get to list your details, it will increase the number of citations that you have. So if you get a lot of citations, roughly 100 to 200 normally, then you can get into these top 3 positions. The next part I want to go through is the organic search results. Also very important because this is what Google sees as the most relevant to what you've typed into the search bar. It's important because about 29% of people will click on the first link that they see, 15% on the second link, and 10% on the third link. Less than 9% of people will actually go past the first page of Google. So very important to be in that first 3 positions because then you'll get a lot of traffic coming to your website. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and this tool allows you to put in a website and it spits out a bunch of numbers. And these are the numbers that Google basically sees, and it uses these numbers to rank your website. The first number here is the UR, and that is your trust rating. This is how much they trust your website, Google trusts your website. So at the moment this company is selling a 5, so actually quite on the low side. It's 5 out of 100. The DR is around your strength index. That's how strong your website is in Google's eyes. It's sitting at a 0 here. This is your top competition. So very low numbers here, so quite easily beatable. And to get into those top 3 positions of the results, you want to have as high possible number of backlinks and referring domains. It also goes around the quality of those backlinks. And all that a backlink is basically another website pointing to your website. So it's basically like a shout out from their website to yours. And for every backlink that you get higher, the higher Google will rank you in their eyes. So the more referring domains and the more backlinks that you have, the better you'll do in the Google search results. The referring domains is basically just the different websites that are pointing to your website. At the moment, this competition of yours is getting 295 people per month finding their website through Google. So that's a lot of potential customers for them that they're actually getting through their website. And then these organic keywords, these are the keywords that Google sees in your website. So that's the content that I talked about earlier. So if you get the right keywords targeted, then of course Google will find you in the Google search results. So if you take a look at what these keywords are that we're seeing here, you'll see things like waterproofing. Those are what people are typing in. And you'll see there are 3,800 people per month looking for this search term. If they're looking for paint in Cape Town, you've got 700 people per month looking for that search term. So this competitor of yours is getting almost 30% of this traffic coming to their website every month. So a lot of potential traffic that you could be getting. So just to summarize, when you do create your website, look to create your homepage between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content to make it easy for Google to rank you. If you want to get on the Google map listing, make sure that you get your citations up by getting onto those directories. And third, if you want to get into the top 3 of the organic search result, make sure that you get your backlinks and your referring domains as high as possible. So all these are free tips and tricks you can use today immediately to create your website, and I think that would be a great idea if you do that. If you want to find out more and reach out to us, please do so. You can contact me via Facebook that we are on, and now I reached you. If not, then either way, I really hope the best for you. I would just really appreciate a line of feedback to say if this video was helpful or not. I'm trying to help out a bunch of local businesses in the area, and your feedback will be very important to me. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.